why I've been lacking time. I've been lingering too much on just reading the passages and the questions. Let's check it out. Try to average 12 minutes per reading passage, so your body learns to instinctively sense when you're spending too much time. This will give you an extra 5 minutes of breathing room. 3 minutes should be enough to read the passage. Even if you don't understand everything, do not waste time rereading paragraphs. Keep moving forward. I didn't know that. I want to read more. Remember, when you answer the questions, you will have to go back and reread anyways. You need to save time for this. Wow. Do not linger too long on any one question. Every question is worth the same. Good point. If you feel that a question is taking too long, then pick your best guess. Mark the question number in your packet and move on to the next one. If time remains, you can double check. Oh man, that's why I've been lacking time. I've been lingering too much on just reading the passages and the questions. This book seems like the real deal. You know, I think I'll keep it. I really hope I get to meet that SAT angel again one day. Yeah.